I'm taking you on an adventure this weekend. We are going to the desert area, Palm Springs and Indian Wells to be exact. I'm going to take you around as we go on the aerial tram up to the mountains and play in the snow. And then the next day we're going to go to Indian Wells and play in the pools. So I'll take you along on this journey and let's go. Welcome to Hyatt here in the Palm Springs area. We're here to explore the area and I'm going to take you around the whole time while we are here. The Palm Springs Hotel is kind of old and it has like an old charm to it. Here's the bathroom with lots of colored marble. As a globalist, you'll have access to the breakfast here at the hotel. It starts at 6 and ends at 11 o'clock. The food is pretty good, I would say. I'm excited to have a breakfast before we head over to the aerial tram. But it's not ours. What? The number 3. Wow. This is one heavy sandwich. Wow. Mine. Wow. Check out this sandwich. It's from the sandwich spot. Good morning. We are awake here super early at Palm Springs. Okay, we're going to head over to breakfast, and after breakfast we're going on the aerial tram so that we could see some fresh snow. It snowed the past 3 days here up in the mountains. So let's go. Yeah. Okay, take a look at the food we got from the restaurant. What is this restaurant called? Yeah. Appa's gonna give it to you.
Turn left onto Tramway Road.
And then we're going up into the mountains. We're gonna head up there. Yes, ma'am.
The Amazon River of 1,057 miles of various sized cables to support movement and the operation of the tramway.
That was so cool. Look, we're seeing snow in the mountains now on the top. Yeah, we're getting higher and higher.
All really mountains.
Careful if it is snowy and it's icy up here.
Oh, elevator. Oh, excuse us. Sorry. We're in the mountain. This is like fresh powder snow. Yeah. This is the forest. This is the park. Let's go. You want to make a snow angel? Everyone's coming right now everyone's just coming now. Wow! Check out this mountain that we're on. Yeah. Yeah, and we're here at Indian Wells. We're here, the Grand Hyatt. Wow, that thing was cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Here's our little bathroom. Our little bathtub.
Where's the water slide?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's over there in the middle.
Where?
Good morning. We are here at the Grand Hyatt in Indian Wells and it's just so beautiful here. I can't believe that yesterday we were in Palm Springs and we took the aerial tram up to the mountains and we were in the snow. We played in the snow, we even sled in the snow, and now we're here at Indian Wells and we're going to be swimming within 24 hours of each other. This hotel was recently renovated, so we're excited to check it out. It's been on our bucket list for quite some time now. As a globalist here, you get breakfast at the Tia, at the restaurant here. It's like a Mexican restaurant, but I think they have a buffet. And then because they don't have a lounge here, they do give you access to their spa. So if I get a chance, I'll take you along on that too. Yeah, you guys get the booth. Okay, we're gonna get you some food, yeah? Okay. Ooh, there's bread.
Looks like it's good.
It is. It's pretty cold here right now, so we are going to go walk around and see what this resort has.
I always do it.
Alright, this is the fireside garden. No?
Oh, you got up.
Sorry. In your ear. That's a ramyun. Does that look good? Thank you.
Thanks. Oh boy.
Let's make some dinner. No. We got chopped salad with some turkey. We're going to make lettuce wraps. We got some chocolate covered strawberries. A chocolate cake. Let me show you. This was only $1.40. Isn't that crazy? So we got these for desserts. Our lunch was actually almost $100, but this whole total here was $12, and I know for a fact it's going to be delicious. So we got this oven roasted turkey, and it's going to go inside this salad mix. So we squeeze all of this dressing in, and then I'm going to put some of this turkey in. We're going to mix it up. Shake. Okay, one wrap. Like that.
Wow, this is good.
Mmm.
That's it.
Yeah? We just had a blast here at Palm Springs, San Jacinto, and Indian Wells. It was such a fun adventure, spending 4 days here, not only on the mountains but also in the desert. We got to play in the snow for the first time ever for our kids, and also go enjoy some swimming pools and water slides. If you're ever looking for a place in the Indian Wells Palm Springs area, I highly recommend this place. This place was recently renovated, I think September, October of 2024, and it is just beautifully made. There's also a golf course here if you're interested in that. They have a lot of amenities here, which is great, especially for families with children. Overall, our entire family had a blast. If I were to pick one thing that I love here on this resort, it would be the lazy river. It was just so fun. They have a ton of tubes here for you to use for free on the lazy river. It goes pretty quickly, and best of all, it's heated. Anyways, if you are ever looking in the area, I'll have all the information down below, and if you like these types of videos, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.